What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and I wanted to start off with my review about my die grinder. So inside this 3-drawer Packout that they've came out with, you're kind of limited on space for a purpose and a reason. It's supposed to be like smaller tools, hand tools or whatever, and I'm able to put my die grinder inside that small little compartment. I really wanted to show you guys some type of footage of me using the die grinder. However, I just really want to just talk about just how much I love this tool. I mean, it's just really a awesome tool, man. I've seen other die grinders. There's another die grinder that Milwaukee makes, that DeWalt makes, that's extremely big. I mean, this thing is huge. It's almost like you need a whole nother cart just for the die grinder. But it has 3 different speeds. I think the highest RPMs is a 21, I can't call it. I don't know exactly resolutions or whatever it may be. Somebody leave in the comment exactly what it is so we all can be educated. It does have the battery indicator right there on the side, which I really like. Lets me know how much battery I have left within my die grinder. All of the Milwaukee tools pretty much do that. But you know, the only thing I really didn't care much about these die grinder is I have 2 different wrenches in order to take the tip off there and add another tip in there. And when I first got it, let me tell you something, and I would love to show you guys a demonstration. I might upload some B-roll right here of me actually taking the cobbler. I know I'm saying everything wrong, but when you take this out right here, when I first got it, I didn't think that a quarter shank would work inside there because it was a little difficult in regards to getting this little tip inside there. So, I mean, that's it. I mean, that's my die grinder, and it's small, it's compact, it's 12 volt. It can overheat in regards to me really pressing it and pushing it to do something that it possibly shouldn't be doing when I'm like grinding something out. If I'm giving it too much force, it'll kind of shut down. The batteries will start blinking. A lot of times I just have to pause for a moment and I have to maybe even take the battery out to get it going again. But I mean, that's it, man. If you're interested in getting the die grinder, if you're wondering if this thing has enough power to do your basic jobs in regards to grinding things out, and you need that certain angle to get to, I mean, it really works. I mean, I like it. I would attest to it. I would say it's a go-get tool. I do doors, of course, you guys know. It's really suitable for what I'm doing. 90% of the time, I'm using my die grinder to grind out a strike or grind, out a hole in a door where I need to kind of get my cylinder in there a little better. But hey, man, that's it. Get your die grinder and let's go. Make sure you subscribe. All right, peace out.